السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Alhamdulillah wahda wa salatu wa salam ala man la nabiyya ba'da. Dear children, I am very happy to be with you again today, and I hope all of you safe and in a good condition. Today's dua will be about sneezing. It's very easy dua, but the first, when you sneeze, what to say? When you sneeze, you say Alhamdulillah. Again, repeat after me. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. The meaning is all praise is due to Allah. Okay, after that, the person next to you and person near to you, when he hears you, he should say this dua. He should say Yarhamukallah. 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 May Allah have mercy on you. And dua, when you're replying to the reply of Alhamdulillah after sneezing, what you say again, because you said first Alhamdulillah, now you have to reply to him again. You say Yahdikumullah wa yuslih balakum. Yahdikumullah wa yuslih balakum. Repeat after me, please. Yahdikumullah wa yuslih balakum. May Allah guide you and rectify your affairs. Today's dua will be about sneezing. Tomorrow we will have another dua. See you tomorrow again. Assalamu alaikum.